Welcome to DealGo. Today, in this episode, we will review the main screen of DealGo and the process of creating a new account in DealGo. Initially, we have the homepage, and at the top, we have the navbar. You can use it to navigate to general pages such as Contact Us and About Us. Okay, to create an account with DealGo, you can click on Get Started from the homepage or by clicking on the Sign Up button in the navbar. On the left, we have a list of the types of users you can register an account type with them. The types of accounts you can currently register are like charterer, ship owner, supplier, and shipyard. By hovering the mouse over them, you can read some details about each account, like the charterer. For example, we will now register the account as a charterer. First, we must enter the name of the company that we are registering in the business legal name field. For example, I will name it ES Group Ltd. Then, in the business license field, we must upload the business license file for this company. It can be a photo or a PDF. The same applies to the commercial license. Next, we must choose the name of the personal account we are registering. For example, I will name the account ES Group Admin. Therefore, I will enter the first name as ES Group and the last name as Admin. Now, we need to select the country, for example, Turkey, from the drop-down menu or by searching for it by name. Then, enter your address in the free text field. Next, select the state, like Istanbul, and then choose a city. After that, enter the postal code and the mobile number for this company and account, for example, a random number in Turkey. Next, enter the email address you'll use to log into this account. Make sure the email exists because a verification code will be sent there. Enter and confirm the password for this account. You can read the terms and conditions by clicking on the link. Finally, click on the Create Account button. You'll then be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your email. Let us now move to the email. We will find that an email containing the required code has already arrived. Let's copy and paste it and then press the Verify button. If the code is correct, it will log in directly and direct us to the user control page. On the right side, you can see the user's avatar. Hovering over it will display a menu for the user. From here, you can log out or go to the My Profile page. In the My Profile page, you'll find the information you entered to create your account. You'll notice there are user-specific and company-specific details. To edit this information, click the Edit button, and these details will turn into input fields where you can make changes to the information you previously entered. For example, I'll upload a profile picture for this account, which will be the company logo. By clicking on the avatar placeholder, it will prompt me to choose the image I want to upload. I'll press the Save button. Upon observation, you'll notice that all avatars have been changed to display the company logo. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.